Namaste to all. We the students of Kitturani Channamma Residential School HD Kanive. We celebrating the International Democracy Day. India is the biggest democratic nation in the world.
In order to create awareness, spread the democratic ideas, values, importance and strengthen the democracy. We celebrating the International Democracy Day on 15th September.
On this occasion, we the students, principals, teachers and all the staff encouraging the day by creating human sign and participating in it.
We are all requesting you to participate in this program by creating human chain from Bidar to Chamarajanagar for 2,800 kilometers and celebrate the International Democracy Day and made it successful.
ಭಾರತೀಯರು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು
ಭಾರತೀಯರು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು
ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು
ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು
ಭಾರತೀಯರು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು
ಭಾರತೀಯರು ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯರು